that is just a homework to make sure that you guys understood and remember still the irregular verbs that we took. Remember, take, took, give, gave, eat, ate, remember, go, went, okay? It's something to revise these irregular verbs, and it's super duper easy, okay? We are on page 230. This is your homework, so feel free to take a break and go on. Now, underline the correct verb to finish each sentence. Use the clue that tells when the action happens. Remember grade 2, we said that there are words that in the past don't take ed. They have their own word. And the words that you're going to need to remember for this page are give, and, take, and, eat, and, say, okay? And these are the words that you need for this page. What are their past? You're supposed to know by now. Give, gave, take, took. And remember, I gave you the words and I asked you to memorize them. Eat, ate, okay, and say and said. So these are the words you will need for this exercise. What are you going to do in the first part? You're going to underline the correct verb depending on the action. It's asking us the time. So we gave reports today. Without even reading this, he's saying now, today. Gave is today or give, excellent. Give, today, so give. We give reports today. So number 1 in my homework is going to be give. Now from 2 to 4, you can do it on your own. Past, past, past. So you have to choose the past of these verbs. Of course, you know that the past of take is took, the past of eat is ate, and there you go. Now, what about the second exercise? You have to write a little bit. Read the story about something that happened last week. Last week, so in the past. Write the underlined words correctly. Use verbs that tell about the past. Can you see how the book is helping us? The same words that you chose here, that you have their past, okay, are the same words here. This story is about the past, okay? And you have underlined verbs that the book made a mistake and wrote them in the present. So all that he wants you to do is to rewrite the story, but instead of leaving the verb in the present, you will write it in the past. How? Let me read the story for you. I eat lunch with my sister. She gave me a library book. It was about Ben Franklin. She say she liked it. I take the book to my room. It was a good book. Ben Franklin give the word many things. I take me just a little while to read the book. Even when reading, you will see that it doesn't make a lot of sense. Let me try with you the first sentence. See, I have here the lines that I'm supposed to rewrite on the story, but with the correct verbs. And here number 1 is I eat lunch with my sister. He said the story is last week. So any verb that is underlined will have to go to the past. What is the past of eat? Ate. So instead of having I eat lunch with my sister, I will write I ate lunch with my sister. Period. A new sentence. She gave me a library book. He wants all verbs underlined, okay, to be telling about the past. So give is not past, it's present. What is its past? You already have it here. All of them, you have their answers here. Gave. So she give me a library book. Wrong. We will fix it. Instead of give, we will say she gave me a library book. Okay? And like this, you will go on. You will rewrite the sentence, but the verbs that are underlined, you will write them in the past. And I don't want anything more than that. So take your time. I'm right here for any questions. Focus very well on the adverbs and adjectives. In case you have anything to ask, let me know. And I will be right here. Best of luck, my lovely student.